Hi everyone, it's Mayor Kevin Ash here. Join us for a celebration of community and kindness as Pickering hosts CBC's Sounds of the Season food drive on Saturday, December 17th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. right here at the Civic Complex in the parking lot. Meet some of your favorite CBC hosts, take photos in the holiday photo booth, listen to the live DJ, and enjoy a variety of activities with your friends and family. Don't forget to bring non-perishable food items such as canned protein, canned fruit and vegetables, peanut-free school snacks, and hygiene items. Cash will also be accepted for donations. The holiday season is a time to help community members who are in need. This year, the need is even greater than ever, and your general support will help provide food to those experiencing hunger this winter. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.